Lucerne offered a fitting backdrop for Wales women's major tournament debut, a picturesque city in the shadow of mountains that mirrored the challenges ahead. Wales had been drawn into Euro 2025's toughest group. They entered ranked 30th of the 16 competing nations without a professional domestic league and faced 3 former semi-finalists or champions. Yet hope, as often as it does in Welsh football, remains stubborn. Their 3-0 defeat to the Netherlands brought a harsh dose of tournament reality. Goals from Vinia Medema, Victoria Pelova and Esme Brugit underlined the quality gap, but also the lessons this young side must absorb for sharper defending and smarter transitions and making their rare chances. Yet the story extends beyond the pitch. Support for the team was extraordinary. Over 4,000 Welsh fans travelled, transforming Lucerne into a sea of red, singing and soaking up the occasion with raw, unpolished joy. It was a stark contrast to October 2021, when just 5 fans watched Wales play Slovenia in Lendava. Progress has not come easily though. The team has faced decades of underinvestment, invisibility and long-standing lack of infrastructure. In December last year, Ian Wilkinson said Wales remained culturally behind in women's football, not in potential but in recognition. Saturday showed that's changing. The Netherlands' rise too was once slow. They didn't reach a World Cup until 2015. The recent success has helped to normalise support for their women's side. Wales is following later, but no less passionately.
Things like this, and we've got 2 more big games, and we've got to show up again and hopefully learn from how we finished that game, right? Because we really stepped up in the last 20-25 minutes.
When the national anthem rang out before and after the game, fans sang not just in defiance but in celebration. They stayed long after the final whistle, clapping players who, for all their struggles, had made history. This wasn't a result to be remembered, but it was a moment that won't be forgotten.